Hi, this is Mark from Application Insight, and this is another edition of Pickup Bed Science. We're here out on the tailgate of the pickup today to show you the Spot Sprayer Essentials Kit. This is a new kit from Innoquest, the SpotOn people, and we're going to walk you through what's in it and why you should want one. This is a product that's designed for the drone application industry and also for the orchard and vineyard industry, for folks that need to know whether or not their nozzles or their flow rates are doing what they're supposed to, but don't necessarily have horizontal booms where they need to know the patterns of flat fan nozzles that their ultimate applicator kit would have covered. So here's what's in this kit. It's got the SpotOn sprayer calibrator, their SC2, which will give you your gallons per minute for each nozzle. Their nozzle cleaner and tip tool. That nozzle cleaner is a super cool product I'm going to show you in a moment. It's got a wind meter. Having a wind meter on site is important. How do you know whether or not you're on label if you don't even have a wind meter? You need to have one with you. It's also got their spray tip pressure tester. You can put this in between a nozzle and the sprayer to tell whether or not the pressure out at the end of the boom is correct. Oftentimes you may have blockages or pinches that you don't even realize, and this will tell you. And then lastly, it's got SpotOn paper so that you can tell if you're wondering whether or not you're getting great coverage. You've got the tool right with you to tell whether or not you're getting that coverage in the canopy or in the least covered areas of the plant. And then along with some PPE. So we're going to go ahead and open this up right now. It's a simple product. It's in a nice rugged case. You can easily put this behind the seat of a truck or in your tractor. So again, you see this is the SC2. Really simple. You press the button, turn it on, hold it underneath the nozzle. If you're using an orchard sprayer, you might want to attach it, just push a hose over the nozzle and pull it out of the air blast. But you literally just run the chemical into this, and in 10 or 15 seconds, it'll tell you what your gallons per minute are for that nozzle. And here's the tip tool. Again, two things really useful about this. There's a nice soft pick that'll be softer than your nozzles, so you're not going to wreck your nozzles by picking them clean with this, unlike with a paper clip, which will immediately wreck your nozzle. And then also it's got the soft brush and the wrench tool so you can get your nozzle on and off. Put that back in the right way. Here's the pressure tester, and you'll put this where your nozzle normally would be and then put the nozzle on this, and then you can run your sprayer and you'll know what your pressure was out at the nozzle. Again, a useful thing to know. Oftentimes you can have blockages and not even know them, and this is a tool to know right away that you're actually getting what you thought you were getting out on the boom. All right, wind meter. Pretty simple little thing, kind of important to have around. Got to hold that button down for a couple seconds. There, it's on. It's not a very windy day, but you basically hold it out at chest height, and it will tell you, see, we're 3.1 miles an hour wind. Normally you don't want to spray at less than 3 miles an hour because that might be an inversion. Of course, today is a nice, beautiful, sunny day, so this is a good day to spray, most likely. But if you've got one, you know. If you don't, you don't. So this is an easy, simple tool. You should have one. All right, put that back. Gloves, goggles, again, things that should, anytime you're handling chemicals, those things should be part of the package. This is an amazing little tool. This is the SpotOn nozzle cleaner, and I'm going to show you how this works. Okay, super simple. You pull it out. It's like a little bike pump. Push it in, it locks. Now there's 50 psi of air stored in this, and you'll hear this really carefully. You just push the nozzle against it, poof, it'll blow your nozzle out. Your breath is only 2 or 3 psi. 50 psi. Easy to blow things out. Nozzles don't belong in your mouth anyway. So make sure you got a SpotOn nozzle cleaner on board with you. Super easy. Okay, the other things in the kit, there's a pack of SpotOn water sensing paper. If you haven't used water sensing paper before, it's really handy. When water touches it, it turns from yellow to blue. So if you're not sure if you're getting coverage, am I driving too fast? Am I driving too slow? Put some water sensing paper in the canopy, and instead of spraying and praying, you'll know. You can spot your success or your failures with some quick water sensing paper. Think about how much money you're spending on chemical spraying and praying. Don't spray and pray, no. So lastly, we've got a SpotOn output calculator here, the simple nozzle calculator for figuring out gallons per minute to application rate per acre. And that's the kit. Really, really simple, easy to pack. Put it back together. Goes right behind the seat of the tractor or in your sprayer trailer if you're a drone applicator. So that's the Sprayer Essentials Kit. You can get it anywhere that SpotOn products are sold or on our website at betterfieldstudies.com. I'm Mark from Application Insight. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me this afternoon.